Welcome back to my channel. Asterisk, the 2026 BMW X8 stands in front of you like a statement bold, muscular, and unmistakably BMW, yet more futuristic than anything the brand has shaped before. When you look at it from the front, the first thing that grabs your attention is the resculpted illuminated kidney grille. It's wider, more aggressive, and blends seamlessly into the ultra-slim adaptive laser headlights that cut through the road with surgical precision. The front bumper carries deeper air intakes, functional and dramatic, giving the X8 a performance-ready presence even at a standstill. Shift your view to the side, and the long, coupe-style roofline becomes the star. BMW designed the X8 to look athletic despite its massive size, and the sculpted character lines show exactly that. The 23-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels sit inside muscular fender arches, and as you walk toward the rear, the flush-mounted door handles and blacked-out pillar design make the SUV look like one continuous flowing surface. Even the side mirrors are sleeker this year, improving airflow and reducing road noise. Move to the right side angle, and you notice the sheer width of the X8. The stance is low, confident, and commanding, designed to deliver stability at high speeds. On the left side, the charging port placement is discreet if you're looking at the hybrid variant. And the wheelbase showcases how BMW has maximized cabin space without losing that sporty silhouette at the back. The 2026 X8 becomes even more dramatic. The full-width old taillight strip stretches from edge to edge, with animated lighting signatures that greet you as you walk up to the vehicle. The rear bumper is sculpted with massive exhaust outlets or hidden aero vents depending on the trim you choose. A subtle roof spoiler and a sharply angled rear window give the SUV a coupe-inspired performance look. And the wide body makes it feel like a luxury powerhouse ready for the road. Step inside the cabin and you immediately understand why this vehicle defines the flagship level. The interior greets you with a floating curved display combining a 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital cluster and BMW's next-gen. iDrive ensures everything feels fast, fluid, and intuitive. The crystal-cut selector, ambient lighting with 15 customizable themes, Stover's sustainable premium leather upholstery elevate the cabin into a lounge-like space. From the driver's seat, the view is commanding. The steering wheel is new for 2026 with a squarer design, and the dashboard flows like one clean. Modern sculpture, look around, and the details continue. Ventilated, heated, and massaging seats for all passengers. Panoramic sky-roof LED lighting above your head. And a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround audio system that transforms the cabin into a personal theater. In the rear seats, passengers get executive-class comfort with reclining options, dual entertainment screens, and even climate-controlled cue folders in certain trims. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW X8 proves that a luxury SUV can still feel like a sports machine. The top engine option delivers explosive power well above 600 horsepower, paired with BMW's M-tuned xDrive all-wheel drive system. Acceleration feels instant. The exhaust note is deep and refined. And the 8-speed automatic transmission shifts with almost telepathic timing. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through corners, the adaptive air suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear-wheel steering make the giant SUV handle like something much smaller. Fuel efficiency improves slightly this year thanks to smarter energy management and optional hybrid configurations that offer silent electric-only driving for city commutes. From a safety and tech standpoint, the BMW X8 packs everything you'd expect from a flagship model. The 2026 edition takes semi-autonomous driving to the next level with improved lane centering, highway assist, 3D parking view, collision mitigation, and BMW's safe exit system. The augmented reality navigation overlays digital directions directly onto the live road ahead, reducing guesswork and enhancing confidence. As a family vehicle, practicality remains strong. You get a spacious cargo area, hidden storage compartments, optional third-row seating depending on configuration, and smart power-folding mechanisms that make loading easy. And despite being a luxury coupe-style SUV, headroom and legroom in the back remain genuinely impressive. What truly sets the 2026 BMW X8 apart is its personality. It's not just a larger, more luxurious SUV, it's the boldest expression of BMW's modern design language. It merges coupe styling with SUV functionality, fuses raw power with eco-friendly hybrid tech, and delivers a blend of craftsmanship, performance, and presence that few vehicles in the world can match. The BMW X8 is for the driver who wants exclusivity, presence, and performance in one package. It's more than a luxury SUV. It's the statement piece of BMW's future.